Hey, this is Lindsay again. Welcome to my channel if you are new. I know it's been a while since the last video, but it's okay. In today's video, I wanna discuss about one of the most important things in the network, TCP over IP and OSI modules. I'm gonna discuss about the similarities, the differences, and their layers. So let's start it. So first, let's discuss the general concept of them and their functionality. First of all, OSI model refers to Open System Interaction, and TCP over IP refers to Transmission Control Protocol over Internet Protocol. They are conceptual frameworks used to understand how different networks protocol interact and enable communication between devices on a network. Now, let's get into their differences, starting with OSI model. OSI model has 7 layers, and each layer perform its task independently. It's quite flexible, but it's as a reference model. On the other hand, we have TCP over IP. It has 4 layers and it can be used as communication protocols in a private network. It's scalable and it uses client-server architecture. Now, after talking about the differences, let's get into the similarities. Both of them are logical models, and one of the main similarities between them is that they describe how information is transmitted between two devices across a network. Both of the models define a set of layers, and another similarity between them is that they both use the concept of encapsulation. I told you before about the OSI model, and it's a reference model for how the applications communicate over the network. So let's get into its layers. Let's start with physical layer, and it's the first layer. It's responsible for transmission of digital data from sender to receiver through the communication media. Data link layer. It handles the movement of data to and from the physical link, and it's also responsible to encoding and decoding the data bits. Network layer. It's responsible for packet forwarding and providing routing path for the network communication. Transport layer is responsible for end-to-end communication over the network. It splits the data from above layer and passes it to network layer, and then it ensures that all the data has successfully reached the receiver end. Session layer. It controls the connection between the sender and receiver. It's responsible for starting, ending, and managing the session, and establishing, maintaining, and synchronizing the interaction between the sender and receiver. Presentation layer. It deals with presenting the data in a proper format and data structure instead of sending raw datagram or packets. Finally, the application layer. It provides an interface between the application and the network. It focuses on a process-to-process communication, and it provides communication interface. Thank you for watching, and that's it for today. Subscribe for more, and if you have any question, please comment down below. Thank you.